Have you ever desired a spacious ranch in a quiet neighborhood with everything fully renovated? Welcome to 24298 Concord Pond Road, Seaford, Delaware. This is a 4 bedrooms, 2 full bath. I love the bedrooms. They're very spacious, and the fact that the roof is brand new and the septic is brand new. And these appliances are all brand new. This is a fully remodeled home for you and your family. Talk about space, talk about serenity. This is the home for you. Book your tours today, 24298 Concord Pond Road, Seaford, Delaware. I'm Jemimah Chuks, Realtor with eXp Realty.